Here are some expert tips for packing your books efficiently and with care for your upcoming move. Decide on what books to move and which to give away. Moving presents an excellent opportunity to declutter your book collection. Take a critical look at your books and decide which ones you truly want to keep. Consider donating or giving away books that you no longer need or haven't read in a while. This will help lighten your load and make packing more manageable. Gather packing supplies. Collect all the necessary packing supplies before you start. You'll need sturdy cardboard boxes, packing paper, bubble wrap, packing tape, and markers for labeling. Opt for smaller boxes to prevent overloading and making them too heavy to carry. Protect your books. Wrap each book individually in packing paper or bubble wrap. This will shield them from scratches and minor impacts. For valuable or fragile editions, consider wrapping them in cloth or soft fabric for extra protection. Mind the weight. While it's tempting to pack as many books as possible into one box, be mindful of the weight. Heavy boxes can be challenging to lift and may even break. As a general rule, keep the weight of each box manageable, especially if you're moving on your own. Label clearly. Label each box with its contents and the room it should go to in your new home. This will make unpacking a breeze and help you prioritize which boxes to open first. For particularly valuable or delicate books, consider marking the box as fragile. Climate considerations. If you're moving to a different climate or a location prone to humidity, consider using moisture-absorbing packets or desiccants in your boxes to protect your books from potential damage. Transportation care. When loading boxes into the moving vehicle, place them upright and secure them to prevent sliding. Avoid placing heavy items on top of the boxes to prevent crushing. And there you have it. A little extra effort in packing now will pay off when you're able to curl up with your favorite reads in your new space. Happy moving and happy reading!